in a manger, Son of God above, born to die for all my sin. Yes, I believe in love.
Love has triumphed, death is finished. I cannot conceive why one so